What up? It's your boy back at it again. Y'all already know who it is. Hey, about to bring it at y'all today with some baby lima beans. I got some smoked pork ham hocks. We just gonna boil these for about an hour. This is gonna be a very simple recipe. You can do this at home yourself. You can use turkey or neck bones, smoked neck bones, whatever you prefer to do. But let's just go ahead and boil these on medium for an hour. We'll come on and add in our lima beans. You can just get these in the frozen section, or you can do fresh. Well, I dumped the water off the ham hocks and just rinse them off a little for all that film on them. So we'll go ahead and let these cook on up, and we'll season them as they start cooking down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put some sugar in my lima beans. That's just how I feel like to eat them. I'm gonna add some black pepper. A little salt. Bless you, baby. Alright. So check out these right here, man. Ooh, Look how that meat just no fell off there. That ham hock, boy. So I let them cook for 1 hour. And remember, I cooked that ham hock for an hour. So that ham hock cooked a total of 2 hours to go along with it. And they got some, I know they got some amazing flavor, man. Let's go ahead and check these out. Let me grab a spoon. So I've been waiting to dig in these. I'm gonna let y'all know how they really is. Oh, I almost forgot. Sorry. I almost forgot I was on camera. They so good, man. Them grandma right there. That matter of fact, these them great grandma lima beans right here, man. They is amazing. That's the closest thing I know had the fresh in years. I ain't had no lima beans like this in a while. People don't fix no lima beans no more. Hey, but this some of that holiday good loving. That when it's that nice cold outside, that fall coming around right now. Hey, but thanks for tuning into this video. Be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Stay tuned for more videos coming like this for this nice cold weather we got about to come through, as the weathermen say. And for you new viewers out there, go ahead and push that subscribe button. Peace out.